Bonnie, and I'm here to share with you a baby album that I finished up for a customer. This is the front cover. I used some laces and some trim. I used that bubble from Prima Marketing, and I put some bling on the crease. I put some on the spine. I made a little charm. Have a diaper pin on here, some little baubles, a heart, some little sparkly things here, and then I just have some rosettes going down the side. And the back is the gingham. Okay, so back to the front. It's a little girl, if you can't read, and then you open it up. And here's the first page here. I altered this with a little diamond stud and this little bow here. This is a DIGI. I'm sorry, I'm moving so much. A DIGI kit from NITWIT kit, and it's so cute. It's got this little, the camera moves covers up by me. This pacifier, it's got these journaling cards. Really, really, really cute. This one has got this rattle. It's attached and the things are behind it. It's got journaling cards and another card for pictures on front and back. And the next one, I made this one into a picture where you can lift it out and put it back in. We've all seen that. And then You Are So Loved. This one here, isn't that cute? It says Hello Baby. And it's got a baby bottle here. And another card to put pictures on. And then this card here that says Sweet Baby. And it's got that little, like a little giraffe. Alright, and next page is this bear here. And it says Tiny Treasures. And then I have some little scalloping lace, another card, and the heart up here. It's all tucked in, and I put these bobby pins because these pages are kind of loose. So I put these decorative bobby pins on there just to hold the pages a little bit more secure. The next page here has the lion on it, and it's holding everything. I put this so you could tuck under it, under this little little round thing, and it's like a iridescent pink bobble. See the dimension on it. The next one is a belly band, and in the belly band it has this T-shirt here, and then you can. I had a clothespin on it. You can actually open it up and put a picture and journaling inside. And that goes back in there like that. I had it on there. And here's the journaling card. This next one here has some trim on it like the cover. It has another rattle. Okay. And then it has 2 cards for pictures front and back. The next page is a baby bottle is holding all the stuff in. Here's a paint sample, and it says, Your first breath took hours away. Really cute. And here's the mat, front and back. Then the next one is this little tiger here, and he's holding these mats in, along with this little Bible up here, like I showed you before on the other page. This next page is a pull-out. It's a little magnetized, and it's the birthday page. Okay, it says Happy First Birthday. And this one here is an envelope, and inside it's got the months, like up to 12 months. It's got 12 cards, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 12. Date, height, weight, and milestones. And then it's blank on the back to put a picture. And they're all 12 in there. So that's what I put in that, and it's magnetized and covered. Oh, let me get that. Okay. And here's the picture baby's first year memories, and then the back is the gingham. Thank you, and please let me know if you like this album. I really think it turned out really, really nice. I love the shaker part with the beads in it. I think it turned out really, really pretty. Thank you, and have a nice day.